Hello, fifth standard. Today, let us carry on with our environment lesson number 8, and this will be my fourth video related to it. In my last video, I gave you some activity, that is, you have to see test reports and you have to write answers. It is on page number 70 and 71. I hope you people have finished that. Okay, let us go on with the next topic of this lesson, that is baby mosquitoes. Now, talking about baby mosquitoes, Jaskirat, there is a poster on malaria just outside our class. Everyone goes out to look. Now see, मलेरिया से बचने के लिए कौन से steps लिए जा सकते हैं? Those things were written here in this poster. Let us go through. Are you inviting mosquitoes? Beware. Beware मतलब बच के रहना, बच के रहिए. They spread malaria, dengue, chikungunya, etc. Don't let water collect around your house. Fill up the pits. That is, if there is certain holes and all, one have to fill those holes also. Okay, water should not stuck over there, because water जब रुक जाता है तो उसके ऊपर mosquitoes बैठते ही हैं. Keep the water pots, coolers and tanks clean. They should be dried every week. So जो भी water containers, that is water store करने के लिए और else cooler वगैरह है, तो उन सबको भी time to time cleaning work is required. Put fish in the ponds so that they eat all the mosquitoes larva. Larva actually we can tell beginning of mosquitoes. ओके, जैसे एग्स में से हैन निकलता है, उसी तरह से लार्वा से छोटे छोटे लार्वास से मॉस्किटोज बनते हैं और वो ज़्यादातर पानी में ही होते हैं. तो इफ़ वी कीप फिश इन पॉन्ड्स, तो पॉन्ड्स में मॉस्किटोज नहीं होंगे, बिकॉज फिश विल ईट लार्वा एज देयर फूड. यूज मॉस्किटोज नेट टू प्रोटेक्ट योर सेल्फ. To protect ourselves, we should definitely use mosquitoes net if we are sleeping in open, right? Spray kerosene in water has collected at some place. If on some place water is collected and kerosene is available, then just spray kerosene on that, because kerosene क्या वो ऊपर रहेगा तो mosquitoes उस पे आके नहीं बैठेंगे. रजत, the poster says something about larva. What are those? Nancy, they are baby mosquitoes. They don't look like mosquitoes at all. So जो larva होता है वो mosquitoes के जैसे नहीं दिखते, but वो जब बड़े हो जाते हैं तो mosquitoes बनते हैं. There are pics of larva on page number 72. आरती, Where did you see them? आप कहाँ find होता है ये लार्वा, कहाँ होते हैं? Nancy, there was an old pot lying behind our house. It was full of water for some days. When I looked there, I saw some tiny thread-like grey things swimming. I was surprised when Mummy told me that these had come out of the eggs which mosquitoes lay in water. They are called larvae. So I also heard something about this on the radio. So here Nancy is explaining that there was one pot kept outside, in that water was filled up and it remained as it is for few days. After some days, when Nancy saw that pot, and there was some small grey color thread like just swimming in. So after that, Nancy was surprised when mom told her that these came out from eggs. Okay, और ये अब बड़े होकर mosquitoes बन जाएंगे. Rajat, what did you do? Nancy, Papa immediately threw away the water. He cleaned and dried the pot and kept it upside down so that there no water would collect. So वो पानी को नैन्सी के फादर ने एकदम से जल्दी से फेंक दिया एंड देन ताकि उसमें अब मॉस्किटोज कोई ग्रो ना कर सके तो उसको उल्टा रख दिया। Jaskirat, Shazia auntie told me that even flies spread disease, especially stomach problems. Flies. Now this here, Jaskirat is talking about housefly. Housefly, बहुत सारे डिजीजेस स्प्रेड करते हैं क्योंकि हाउसफ्लाई किसी पर भी बैठते हैं और वो जब बैठकर उठते हैं तो उनकी लेग्स में वो लग जाता है एंड व्हेन इट कम एंड सिट ऑन फूड देन वो जो लेग्स में लगा हुआ होता है वो फूड पे लगता है। सो डिजीज एक जगह से दूसरी जगह स्प्रेड होते हैं बट फ्लाइज डोंट बाइट। हाउ डू दे स्प्रेड द डिजीज? फ्लाइज बाइट नहीं करती, जो हाउस फ्लाइज हैं वो बाइट नहीं करते, लेकिन फिर भी कैसे डिजीज स्प्रेड करते हैं? एज आई टोल्ड यू, फ्लाइज स्प्रेड डिजीज विद द हेल्प ऑफ लेग्स। ओके, क्योंकि वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह बैठते हैं तो दे आर नॉट वॉशिंग देयर लेग्स और हैंड्स एंड देन सिटिंग। ओके, I will give you answers related to questions. Here it is written on page number 72. Okay, that is, have you seen any poster like this put up anywhere? Who do you think puts up such poster or given ad in the newspaper? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and think 2 questions related to that. Okay, I will give you question answers for these questions. And you have to write this also. Earlier in the beginning of lesson I had given you few question answers. I hope you people have finished there, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So give number 7 to this and write it in your notebook only. Okay everyone? So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So total 12 questions will be there. Okay everyone? Okay. So remaining part of the lesson we will continue in next video. By that time, see that you complete writing your question answers which I will give you today. Thank you everyone and continue your studies. Okay, bye bye.